As AI continues to advance and we move more into an agentic world, what it means to have an AI native interface or an AI native experience will evolve. And so it may mean having a newer kind of screen that we look at. It may mean that we communicate by voice and we have a different kind of hardware that we wear. For example, Sam Altman and Johnny Ive were discussing the idea of a new kind of sort of wearable that you could use to communicate with AI and would shift how we communicate on the web in general. Now, what this AI native world 12 months from now, 24 months from now, 36 months from now looks like is anyone's guess. But in this transition and in that process, we're seeing so many different ways of being able to successfully use AI tools and features within different environments. And so, if you've seen previous videos, you're noticing me do a lot more with my computer's terminal. And in this video, what I want to do is show how you can actually download one of OpenAI's audio transcription models, Whisper, run it locally from your computer for free. And so what that means is that if you have an audio file that you want to transcribe, whereas typically you might put it through a transcription tool or you might use a software. I use Gling. I've used Gling sometimes. I've even built transcription tools and have connected it to an API like Assembly or DeepGram. In this case, you can literally download the Whisper model, type in a command from your computer's terminal, and it'll transcribe the audio file for you. And so getting right into that, you're going to pull up the terminal on your computer. If you don't know where the terminal is, you're going to go to Launchpad, type in terminal, and then you're just going to click on that. And so there are a few commands that you're going to type in order to make this happen. So the first command is you're going to be looking to see what version of Python you have on your computer. That's going to be extremely important. So I have Python 3.9.6. If you don't have that, you're going to have to download Python to your computer. And if you don't already have it, what I would actually say is go onto an AI IDE, such as Cursor, for example, and literally just type into the chat, help me download Python, this version of Python to my computer. The next command is going to be Python 3 space -m space ensurepip space -- upgrade. From there, pip3 space -- version. That's going to show you the version of pip that you have on your computer. And basically what pip is a package installer for Python, and it allows you to extend the functionality of Python with other third-party tools. In this case, it's going to be Whisper. From there, you're going to type brew space install space ffmpeg. That's going to be for the transcription. And all you're doing thus far is literally just typing in these specific commands, and I'll have them in the description for you to try on your own. And then the next step, and this is the last step, is the actual transcription of the file. So you're going to type in Python 3 space -m space Whisper, which is the audio model, space wherever the specific file you want to transcribe is located on your computer. So in this case, it's on my desk. It's on my desktop. It's called seo.mp3, and so it's going to be the squiggly line. I'm actually not sure what you call that symbol, /desktop /SEO mp3 space -- model small. So you have different kinds of models you can use. They're coming from Hugging Face, which is an AI platform that hosts a lot of different models, and you can use small, medium, large. The larger you go, the slower it's going to take, but the larger file you can process. In this case, small should suffice. And then you're just going to press enter. And then from there, you should start to see the transcription of the file begin to happen. So you literally see here. This is the file for a recent YouTube video that I did on SEO. It's about 24 minutes long, and you're literally seeing the file get transcribed here. And this is for free. The only caveat and downside to it is that it's going to take some time to process. and because it's running off of your either the CPU or the GPU for your computer. But if you're ever at any point looking to transcribe for free, you know that this is something that you could directly do on your computer. So we're just going to wait for this to finish. It's about 25-minute long file, and then from there you can do what you will with that information. All right, so we finished with the transcription. You see it all here, all 25 minutes. I noticed that as it was happening, it looks like it got stuck a couple of times, and I had to press enter, and then it would continue. And it took some time to finish. So the caveat to this is, yes, although it is free, it's a lot slower, and it probably depends on how powerful your computer is as well. But this is to say that there are means now to accomplishing these tasks without necessarily having to rely on the cloud or even payment sometimes. And so that's what I have for you today: how to transcribe for free directly from your computer using OpenAI's Whisper model. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you on the next one.